Hello children, today I am going to teach you about some basic concept about light. Now see, when you enter a dark room, nothing can be seen. Suppose that when you enter a dark room, nothing can be seen. But as soon as you switch on a light, whatever things are present in a room, it becomes visible. How? Because of light. Now, very simple definition of light. Light is a form of energy. Light is what? It is a form of energy which helps us to see things around us. Now, when light falls on any object, when light falls on any object, it bounces off from the surface of the object in all directions. Suppose that this is a pen. When the ray of light falls on this pen, those rays of light bounces off from the surface of the pen in all directions. This is known as scattering of light. 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 It is because of this scattering of light only, whatever things are present around us, we are able to see. It is this scattering of light that enables us to see objects around us. Now see, for example, outdoor on a sunny day, we can see things by the light coming from the sun, and at the same time, at the night time also, we use electric bulbs, torch, candle, etc. to light up our surroundings so that we can see properly. Okay, this is all about how we are able to see the objects and all because of light. Now see, there are some objects which emit their own light. They are known as luminous object. Now what do you mean by this emit? Emit means give out. Emit means what? Give out. That means there are some objects which give out their own light. They are known as luminous object. For example, you say sun, stars, radium, etc. These objects emit their own light. There are some objects which do not give out light of their own. They are known as non-luminous. Non-luminous object. For example, pen, book, table, etc. There are some objects which emit their own light, and there are some objects which do not give out light of their own. They are known as non-luminous object. But non-luminous object, however, shine or become visible. There are some non-luminous objects. They are shining, they become visible. Why? Because of the reflection or scattering of light falling on them. Because of reflection or this scattering of light. There are some non-luminous objects, they become visible due to the reflection or scattering of light falling on them from any luminous body. From any luminous body. When the reflected or scattered light falls on nearby objects, such objects become visible. For example, this moon. Moon is a non-luminous object, non-luminous body. But in the night time, it is shining. And it becomes visible to us also. Why? Because the ray of light falls on moon. Because the ray of light falls on moon, and afterward what will happen? Due to reflection or scattering of light, the moon become visible to us. Moon become visible to us. Like this, so many non-luminous objects are there. They are shining, they become visible. The main property is because of reflection or scattering of light only. Okay. So for today, up to this much. Next video we are going to learn sources of light, how to prepare a point source of light, and at the same time reflection of light.